Trom thana me da nervous khasa dai re. Okay, hili science kya jang ai jida thangje. Science ne jung mai na ya. Hingjai hili medical courses kya jang ai le. Okay. Quite a number. Engineering wa? Hai, MBBS la engineering khini ga jang thai koi na. Okay, Misha kha hang no yo. Okay, engineering and medical sciences the most sought after around Natamnia, and some people might say the most overhyped profession, but nonetheless, kathagai jikha itumui hile itumui society li itumi khanga kharing khara khile job prospective nyang la pai development nan nyang la pai itumi hi no thai ka pai profession maning lak nai achi in da thada hi ka shi kha thada hang mi kai ka kai na engineering sangai ra ka kai na MBBS or other paramedical courses like nursing or pharmacy shong chat khangai la le sa da pai ka kai na diploma khoi ngai le sa la pai yang khaji confuse sa kai la jang sa re mning a thang ka thada MBBS la thangai engineering la thangai mning itum la ila chi tha pam sai khre le ka thada ka thada chu sa ra khai ka ji ji itum thada yang maman sayang itum first of all interest or passion interest ka tha khai a thang issue we resource person ka chum chan la hang me re yang itum interest or passion just like when I was young I had more interest. I was more amused by how a computer works than how a human body works. I was more amazed by how a clock works than how a flower blooms. Yang jen thada itumi interest itumi passion hila identify ka sahi darkar salake he ina mi idea factors ping he feel ka tong choose ka sali la shichin pai but mo are we chama itumi hili engineering versus medical courses ani yang ause medical jik MBBS mam ning mai ka tong sang re paramedical courses ka tai pinga ya jaina ka khani li personality athang resource person ka chung na ngai re itumi personality li na ina jam hada compassionate masa ina mili mang han thai ka thata inner saura ya nurse ka sabing hi athumi li chi tha personality hi darkar sa na ka jinai yang phapta yang jaina identify your personality as well and the third inspiration athang issue we try na khra surgeon anala hangar ko role model khlahi ithum lai phungra we anathang ki hang note down your role models read about their biographies read about their life it keeps your dreams alive chite yang chichapa ithum inspiration role model khlahi darkar sala ke mane katha pingai la thum ya hikra thona cha kai naga. Okay, the inspiration role model, it can be some famous personalities or it can be from your own family, your relatives. Ari in a lake, Joga interactive samai vai no tumle, no tumla kapam rakai re, interactive samai vai in a Joga quiz session now lay okay. Hikipa kipata. No, it said laya, Elon Musk, ka hikipata. Anybody? Ninga gahamilo. Okay. I have some surprise for you. Kiba na hanga Elon Musk kiba kai tija. Kiba ka mong tingai tura are he. Jo suyo kai. Jo anybody? Smart ka samai se ising rabing. Athang surgeon na khang thada keep your minds open, keep your eyes open, keep your ears open and keep your mouth open. Jo Elon Musk kiba mang thele sa kida limning ka khyak ro kai thật jo mi ka ning ka le jo ning ka lo jo thak lo goodies ai là hangai ta phải để cho chúng ta khác nhau cái ali kisa dam thêm ra cái đó cái bút tin lấy sao rồi cái bài nào đó dam này cái ba mang han cả thế chứ này okay so cái ba đó here the shot in the right answer the shot like oh cho oh yes Florence Nightingale the founder of modern nursing chứ interactive sao mà phải sao thôi yo thùng lệ yang in the last house oh yes please stand up chị ở đây hình here famous personalities itum mig chung hali atun na inspire sami laga ya engineers doctors nurses mig chung atum mi ri nine itum inspire sa laga ra ga ping hi na ya okay chen athang wi jili slide pa jili valu sa inspiration ke ji darkar ga sa ke ji hanga ya itum dreams itum ni motivate sa kha itum dreams wi thawru na itum ya fuel ya the next one skills na tumi skills itumi skills se identify ka sahila darkar salak chitla inang nui laga arila jira idwa shimli la ishi pa nam sala ina light fix ka sa fan ka sa dong ina sai ya the fire life na ka hata ina la sa thai mai fa ma ning chang fa ma ha ga da ya jen skills identify ka sahila darkar salak in tumli ya ya thira salo ji thai nore okay ji nextly goal itum goal khalai goal set ka sahile important sala ka mirni na doctor sala ka kisaura na nurse sa ka kisaura engineer sa kisaura goal a khalai itum hi now the hi thala ka hi da sangai society da sangai ka ji itum goal si set ka sadar ka sala kya kala ji job prospects and outlook ka ji itum gu chung cha he aritama MBBS halapai doctor nurses halapai or any other subjects ku lapai PhD halapai at the end we all come back to one thing that is job yeah job ke chi thumi darka sai tamkhwe laga shukwe laga job sa ka itum hi maring pham ne ya jene itum hi chila khyang hin darka sai job prospects in the course hi ka ki job prospects ka thada leile or on market di ka thada leile ki kya darka sa le demand kya leile in a kya an sapai I skills he singa kya sapai ki ji tong hi study ka sahid darkar sai kala last in educational cost hi itum hi import hi laga tha khai chika itum society hi mai ar hon na sak pai chung ner ka itum ya tamni ka cham no lo chung thlai ba pam che da tangai lam sak khar ya for example I pilot sangai sa chi deng ni daga ka pilot ji aman chung na jangai ji je na tangao da tangai la de ji itum chi la khyang hi da yang ya khyang hi la darkar sai kya tamra kya changra ka chi ya chen athang resource person kain la ham mere kya chang it aram next week pan la ndachuni chung thamai da ham hi pa ma ya okay so engineering wile chung cha engineering thai la ye eligibility physics chemistry maths duration 4 years exam se chung cha he ar hona IIT JEE ne NIT China NIT kala other colleges then the IIT Wangai kha IIT JEE advanced kaje thara ne kala kadai wi notice ne rest lang vai chila engineering college phawla kaya khane base la SRM la VIT dakchung khlai athumi own entrance examination lang va pa mai na thumna chiping chila try sayang pai sir kala chuthli chi kupsang ka BTech or Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of Engineering kaje samang ya chen ara branch shipping hi malwi kai chika hi ba kha ara wa hi ara ma browser nutmi yami sara yo chile summary hi chang mi set lai chin thuna chile refer kha sa me na lo branches ku chung lai branches ka tha da chu sara adwa da ji confusion lai or na thuna chung mai thangai kha wa ithumni la contact sara mi pai rai chen ara most interesting part engineering ping we Top engineering sagai ping we at my job ya kachung chana corporately etc ya private company le sai da mas hamlan thum da chi ko yo ga chili ka kai na PSU na public sector undertakings PSU ka phau chung le PSU la level ngaware ya Maharatna or chili tikhatyok mai ping da thum la level ngawaye ra hak mai ping hin la tulop chung mai pamra ka chang he like IOCL HP Gale hibing PSU sere jena ji entry level we khoi na hang na khai tulop hil hang se da he LPA ka lakhs per annum chinguma hli kya sa mangai ki chi hin da thata Hyderabad hang se da khina average haina kala hi entry level we ne corporate diva kada college ko bai na degree le re che khana apply sapai institute kuchung chali wa recruitment hirare placement ya company pinara la ka interview ra khui la na thum hire sare the chi kuchung ja averagely bata 6 lakhs per annum hi sam hangai ka tio pingi thata 3 lakhs chin da thata company ka tio mai ping we pro TCS etc ka hakmai like Facebook Google chitha chi wa changa entry level la chung chung kai for example the IIT na jakum mya ha 2 crores per annum chungma hli 2 crores ya he chili recruit sa kai na le kala NIT na la 1.25 crores ya the chi thada chung hle na thum na chi college fa man kha thada no we goal athi shuda cha thu shuda chi samaman do PSU really athangang thada 8 LPA to 20 hi le sare he entry level ko na thum na ko pai laga degree ko pai laga PSU khre laga recruitment tha sai ara ku chung cha hi gate exam BTech ko pai laga B ko pai laga na PSU wa changai chai khapa gate exam hi thara gate exam thai laga chwa ti shuda thun na interview hora laga chi thada recruit sai kala government really la chi Indian engineering services the UPSC na conduct sa chi la lai pa mai athum la chi ari UPSC we level chap chaya athumi grade pe hi chap chara chen ka tai famous government chika ka tai binga bar ka tha ISRO ka tha DRDO ka tha hi phawla ka athum chi tha ji tan thum join sa pai kala government state government will kachung athumi openings kachung hle cho hin ara Hyderabad na India we startup company have a unicorn we call unicorn athang ishi resource person server warin hang khai thata ya $1 billion le athumi profit turnover hand guy ping je chiping chile unicorn startups kana athum ping we yang lo he share chat 47 lakhs he on average ko athum na sam hang da khai tu lop he ya hila li browser le sang site le avum tang ngau le sai ka thada Hyderabad thum ni idea hi thai khwai hang mix han ne Jena ayar shokre ayar we opportunities pui ta dai da le engineering we ya it me software shong la pai or makning core branches ping mechanical electrical ya athum ping lag chung khalai pa mai ayar le he ayar le hang se da he software engineer a we athum to lop kuma we ya $180,000 in a year Jena developer aha thata we career path ka thada sara chuma dan na wa changkha company wa changkha as a software developer wa changkha ka thada sapai case study kho yo hi jena my company ki chung chali he follow sare ka kai nang tai sala pai kha ka chung chali wa thada software developer 1 2 3 and then architect la sapai or nana individual contributors sara iwa thata imang thata technical shong chat rai chi shong na chat pai or man nana people management shong chat ke chila switch sapai option si thata ku chung halai chile ya chada kama naga nana arama chi chile director kara VP kara and then you can become the CEO as well okay katha engineering we Aram engineering week entrance exam cut off pajing te discuss now right are he medical we he first he lag khani ni ta side to side house yang medical likatha medical courses ke MBBS katha BHMS BUMS yang aj thang se ji browser le sang sar khoyo he ping hi jung ja hin 5.5 years sang India we le yang laga katong theser le NEET exam hi thasera katong na paramedical courses being nursing, pharmacy, technician, therapist, etc. Hipping here. Kakaina 2 years, kaina 3 years sangra kala institute entrance exam athum ngawai. Kakaina veterinary zat kaila zang sare yang medical courses still 5.5 ni dain etc. Kreka exam te sara ni dain sasar kain hipping hila ya. Medical wila tulop yang no private versus government. cái chuyện thấy sao cái này cái yan doctor ping đi trong hạt hàng nội là thùng private hospital đi chỉ có yearly private hospital đi nó entry level với 50K per month hạt on an average mấy cái gì này nurse ping technician ping thùng hi mấy cái tiêu khất tiêu private khất tiêu này yang that is still in debate chỉ có thùng hi role được chung lại thùng hi job prospects được chung lại cả thùng hi underpaid sa cái này trên chui và người ta government when it comes to government jobs even for nurses tu lop than này thùng hi chỉ around 60K per month some hang cái là average for MBBS doctor 10K sorry 10 LPA per I mean 10 LPA even for MBBS or other medical athangwi kito BUMS ka tha jiping ja no MBBS mang khlem nim kho chung khalai kho chen da athina BUMS ka tha hang se re BUMS BHMS BAMS ji ayurvedic wi unani wi homeo wi da jila chat pai sare jila course le sir dak lai nai ka chung jana MBBS le zatrai openings la chi lai mai papa mai ka phaulo chi phau mai papa mya khana thumna nit chang laga ka tai ma sam MBBS sam la ka tai la sa pai sare chi ka tai bing je pai la kan sam hang re je ara medical courses medical sciences we athumi projected growth athumi career yang nan da yang no ara che orange line is on the hepa here on an average for other jobs athumi career growth 3% lay cover katay ping jinglo 34 la kad left 30% la kad that's huge yang not me career growth futurely kada khai chi medical career hi thata thana le da hai ma thila ka chi engineering medical mirini ma thila ka chi profession nai nang thum jobless ma thalak mai chi jiba ta Chan our exams and the cutoff sleep asara medical thesara ni thara kate MBBS kala other courses vivang and then paramedical va other institute entrances ngawai ara cutoff in the cutoff nutum thagi jipana cutoff not the qualifying cutoffs chai ka paina am dai mi chung cha pa sa samrai ai need pass hai re ka college ma samang thaura admission cutoff is the main thing yeah admission cutoff first second which college phakoi la important sala ka chen cutoff na thumna MBBS prepare ga satam tran like work chung pare khachimam ning la work smart as well chika strategy ngai exam tha he preparation here like ai na pala ga la mi he lai ba mai pan score sa mai ga lang wa den thumna thai re yeah kaji arhana like in the hunting jin shopping arhana na shopping hi na to meet them sir gaida it ma ta man yang ga compare sai na ga na to mine it mi ngai hangai jitla smart an tum sa mai car ka thena na tum thai mai car yang so songai na jitla and at the same time competition is also more stiff jen na tum ji ba je khayang re yang jina strategy thai yang lo previous year question papers yang lo preparation chi kichi tha question hang thai chi yang lo no we mentorly thara kai na ngasek lo athumli guidance khuilo yang very very important jen cut off itum we are very blessed in one way because every one of us are under ST category yang ST category na maka pha jiga itum ngi chang xiao de itum ST quota lai jin da dang chang xia lai jin la mai the mayang ba malai tu da hot na ba ya athum na yang athum ban na competition ma mai da athum na hot na ba athum na ri mai khara wai thum ne hi tha fil thli yang but itum ST category lai jilala itum chipa jile aim sa sai general category na pasa khai ka chik dong hi chili aim sang sangai ST category some hangola chila songai na ye jaka need it's a very competitive exam yeah khewang hai jikha India li college MBBS sit hi teu na le haidla mi wak chung halai da haidla kha sit kya lai 1 lakh 6,000 something lai da haidla sit chimang haidla population wa kya ha yo mi kya ha 12 kup sang dai 1 year le GB issue nai MBBS sakkai jimni nai kha issue ji sit ma khlai issue hoyo chen na thum ji ba jing sit khang pai saw ga da exam hi sit khang pai saw ga da strategy hi important sala kai chili athangwi chili 1 lakh le around 65%, I think 60, let's say 60%. 60% government sidra, katena private sidra. Private sakna lo yang amani tumang. Laga akhana CMC velo itu mi kuchung jahi ba him thaila mi south sakai chung ini ba hile emphasize ka sangai khwang hai chika cut off ka tiu namang chi khanga ja need to cut off ST ping yang no college khamda tha bing la 500 lang set atumi score he ne 500 na thumni la yang naw lo internet khla atumi cut off yang lo college khamda tha ping Google sa lo atumi cut off pha yang lo kya mai khai chi chi cha chu chu na thumla target saman lo ka CMC wi ba ka na mang chila ka CMC wi ba akhala ka ta khai Christian naw ping bang racial naw ping bang itumi bang jing te ngai na ko ta ngai ko ta khang wa chi alung chi le itumi ka ta khai chi ka CBC nai masha CBC nai da CBC nai atungni register sa sare CBC nai MBC and then the other churches so baptism certificate le ra ya na church member nei that lay cover CBSNI when the former quira that you will be sponsored by CBSNI in your medical course. Chithaika MBBS mamning la nursing la she sponsor sami baba mai ari honai na shoi le ashi website li valo CMC ba shi not CMC CBSNI we ashi website li valo ga download sa la form ji fill up sa online an sa pai la pai ar hona chithala ga chi sponsorship sa mangai re jai cover na we need he 300 mang na some na score sa la you will be called for interview ashi interview le fi two-step process ra interview ba ji khasak mai re but na samangai re jai ka CBC nai ba shin na li training la mi re na jin ji ba ji la khayang sangai mi saut sang sangai ni thuma opportunity kha khale da khain let's grab it ning la that engineering we IIT JE for NITs triple ITs other colleges IIT JE advanced for IITs jet here cut off la ngatai se cut off fee IIT ka tha NIT tha cut off fee computer science ka tha ping hin na cut off chung hai sa mai sal pai khachi va college kham tha chu le lui re ya chen ji ba chin na thum na yang ga cha chu sa lo kha I'm telling you na engineering sangai jai kha engineering va masak mai khiwang hai chi kha I thum visit la le pam plus mi chung da ja ga chan thaim na ya che da hiliva masak plus sit comparatively MBBS ka thali ang kha sit hi chung mai khare there are around I think 15 lakhs BTech graduates every year in India okay yearly chi ya sa da ka sit chung le da haitla chawda na score tiola la hi pa hi va na samang by chance hak mai khar le da kleinai I think in choosing the right course and the right institution is very important. In a course, I think engineering jobs, engineering branch yang MBBS my MBBS tamai quiz hanau engineering with a vaccine hila important salak jitla. I think no way goal, no way job prospects as you should the Naikustami Nana Manipuli settle sangaila. For example, okay, then the Manipur settle sangai government hilung sangai jai khava don't take computer science so computer science we cha subject himalai right a job pa here core ping we thamai kha lejitla but if you are khangado adventurous na ka tele wangai abroad chok ngai laga thada paizat ngai jai khava computer science hi important sal thada chi tha hi kanala khaine Jenda thata chi tha chile yang lo na thumna no we ki course khungai ki chilam tha kan chu salo kala institution is very important one khiwang hai chikha ithumna competitive exam tha laga IIT jili top rankers tong wa ta demni top rankers wa tong wa ta ga mi kitam na bi them sera more than you learn from your teachers you will learn from your friend circle I la chi tha pa mai ka ocha ping tam khul lang mai da so no ping mi ping chi friend circle ma tha na ka them angai tam khui vai chung le jen da institution kham tha li khawa hi khana la khya ka khani li ithum India hi close knit society la sau status la khaya ngamo the premier institute nei jai kham bin la yang kam bai na job ka pha tam li we have that ki khang to prejudice lai chi sum li ai premier institute nei jai kha ma tha mai tha tam tha mai dan li yang jit la chi advantage ya Chena institution hi lam thain ka pang no thum da crack sa kai thile chi thain yang lo Chen aram let's come to the main one scholarships athang we ka chung cha hi na ka tha khai chi kha medical courses la pa engineering courses la pa aman saknai da matam khar family lag chung khlai pa mai kha itumi society itum Tangkhul ni ve chi khai ki kamle ne scholarship pui tai da lai da lai ho ya main sa the important sa mai kap the minority affairs by the minority ji ka khi itum variation now being Muslim now being Sikh Jain ya he chang ser kai ne India sorry Manipur mang chilila 300 kya la scholarship mi yearly only for technical courses like engineering and MBBS or other medical professional course, technical course. Yeah, na scholarship chi. No we starting from your tuition fee, admission fees, stipend like tong cover sa mi sarang gujina. Jena na educational cost lig tiok hangang dalela mangang milaklo scholarship pui tingay na idla free and tam kuba itum la hata komla kan tam kui kai na. Yeah, scholarship here, minority affairs we tribal we la like that kuchung like yeah natum yang in a link hi la made like natum arima capital like kam tham in a brochure like tong made like arama last in until thai now re brochure which is set like natum chi yang now lo then ara what's next after graduation engineering which lina kisapai nana master wa kai mtech sa wa kai sapai nana MBA sa wa kai chila sapai yang MBA arhon which is na like ho corporately zanga che MBA he very important na corporately zanga if you want to climb up the corporate ladder nana now the CEO wa sa get MG like MBA is very important yeah nana abroad shock kai ayar shock tam ke MS chilla ha exam thala la shock mi chung da chan ro ka ya kala nana ot sa ke la sa pa entrepreneurship khuika ke la khuika pai athangwe Elon Musk long hi lakhe I started up kai but he was an engineer meaning Sundar Pichai, Google CEO, engineer nayala. The jinatuna the course I would like to say engineering here the one of the most versatile course that hang pai. Nada any field in the circuit let's pai after graduation. Kuchunga cha startup India kuchunga you know kido re Flipkart katha Ola katha kuchunga engineering graduates pin sasar ho. Medical yeah MD MS MBA lava pai job la sapai even competitive exams athang we general competitive exams like UPSC yeah SSC kate bingchina na wa kai chilala hi kup sangai la thapai sere now how can you contribute to the society hila kanala khaine jikha mi chung chahe ina chi sa ga khiung sara yeah it me job sa laga society li khang chon mala contribution mala paisa tulop cha ta ringa phamlai jitla we need athang is source person that we need status as well as money alone will not suffice status alone will not suffice we need both yeah jena kada the contribute sa pa engineering for chung nai lai it me economic growth ko chung ja he engineering ping yeah economic growth lila job creation innovation development ko chung ja lai da khaina kala medical chila kha khi hangora chili novel samai da khi lai loi ne nana society le sa sangai ka za na pini ka cham na pini ngchon ngai nana humanity serve sangai like you are in the right direction economic growth of course athang tha the job matang na ya sa yaw slide she ko je ara pingai khwai jo sa yaw sin ki ba ha hewa ke bio ka tam na pin ha bio katam nopping yeah if you are interested in medical sciences ha why hina sugi ji tawlum ni ga kwala mang han ngai laga cho kiba kin tham ne ngui la da give a shot it's okay try sapai sadly, but yeah, give it up for your courage. Some other? Kupsang say she kupsang last now, salakaya. Okay, Tamish man kavai natum Edward Jenner Damashaira, father of immunology. Yeah, Paula kayang here. Kipatai. Oh yes, keep on going. Get it. Siara ba quiz competition sa ai pha mai ra. Okay. Tachina group sanga ko issue we group akle Tangkhul tekis consult in engineering kala medical sciences le profession hitha hile course quick ngai ping la ya ka ituni contact sa pai issue Facebook page langa vai ya or natun ili la direct contact sa mi pai re ya natun any never software shong chate software developer ne chena if you have any doubts regarding I mean programming or anything related to this course, you can always contact me. Yeah, not from Tadaji Yamilo. Kupsanga Taka, Jonathan prepare Sadaka psychology all the best need Lafai IITJ Lafaya. You will ace it. All the best.